Hi, I'm professional organizer Colette Robicheau, and I'm here today to talk to you about some organizing trends. Today's trends in lofts and in condos is that they're not building any storage. So you need to look for storage that is both fashionable and functional that can be left in plain sight. This modular freestanding storage system from Neat Freak is ideal because it has separate pieces that fit together so you can configure the closet space that is ideal for you. You have shelves, you have cubbies, you have drawers, you have double hanging space, and all of this can be made to fit your needs. And not only your needs now, as they change in the future. Whether you're staying in your loft or in your apartment or you're moving on, you can take this piece with you. So you don't have the hefty price of a built-in. Not only is this unit functional, it's also fashionable and can be left in plain sight. For products like these and others, visit neatfreak.com.